Justicia climática ta algo hope importante para islanan en general. E full história, nós estava com Hulanda, anto outro país na grande, a causa se não houve dano de nos clima, anto a nós, como isso chiquita, são que está sofrendo mais do dia.
I'm Paolo De Stilo from the Climate Justice Flotilla. I'm a climate activist. I'm Dutch-Italian and I'm currently sailing for climate justice. We set sail from Sint Maarten to Bonaire, Curaçao, and now we are here. And we're very happy to be here because it's part of a civil society initiative to bring the Dutch Caribbean voices to Santa Marta for the first international conference on phasing out fossil fuels.
E biaki eta hope importante pa isnan di Reino Holandês. Também dumi passo também tem conferência na Santa Marta, anto cante fossil fuel phasing out treaty. Anto Colômbia e Hulanda são co-host, nanta co-organizador. Pero Hulanda não está incluindo a isla caribenho a trobe, desse sei não está papiando de nosso nome, pero não está pensando a perspectiva de que nós está sofrendo.
I think, well, within government and also in civil society and so many of the environmental organizations or organizations that deal with environmental justice and the environment and conservative, I think that it's an opportunity for the activists and the experts to get together to propose concrete solutions for as alternatives to fossil fuels, and also to motivate our governments, local, national, kingdom-wide, also regionally, to come together and also implement policies that will lead us away from the use of fossil fuels.
It varies from island to island. We saw the devastating effects of the Irma hurricane in Sint Maarten and how people are also quite afraid of more destructive hurricanes due to climate change. And then in Bonaire, we saw how the case brought by 8 plaintiffs of the Bonaire island together with Greenpeace really showed how the Bonaireans were actually discriminated by the Dutch kingdom. And therefore we see that there's quite a lot of people that really live the climate crisis, but we also see the issues of people trying to survive on the islands, trying to live day by day.
Pa Hulanda vai co-organizar conferencia tocante essa di cambio di clima, mientras tanto não está ajudando e outro parte do Reino Holandês eta injustiça climática, anto botoa especificamente com não está incluindo-nos em conferência na Sina, não está lagando-nos participar.
We have 3 demands. The first one, adopt a binding fossil fuel treaty. The second one, debt cancellation for the Global South and adequate climate finance for the Global South, including the Dutch Caribbean islands, which are seen internationally as a developed state because they're part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. But these islands also need climate finance. And the third demand is a degrowth for the Global North. We need to consume less. Otherwise, the world is going to go on fire.
Informação, educação e tour classe de Move Show. Essa da Djis Pa Informa.
Presenta pa Awemainta e diferencia de Noticia.